Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can withdraw money from Binance. This tutorial will be quick and simple, so make sure to subscribe to this channel. Also, I'm going to leave the link to Binance $100 bonus in the description below for you to check out. Once you are on Binance, you want to go ahead to your wallets, and here you will see your balance. If you would click withdraw option, you will have all of these withdraw methods. So if you want to go ahead and withdraw your money straight to your bank account or to your card, then you would need to use P2P trading, or you would need to first sell your cryptocurrencies to fiat money and then withdraw fiat. So if you would choose P2P trading, you would have an option. For example, let's go ahead and try to sell USDT. You will see them here. Another way would be to sell it for example, let's go ahead and try to sell USDT. And you want to go ahead and sell it to your spot wallet. So you're going to choose what you want to sell. Now, if you would click on sell to, you would have an option to choose a fiat payment straightly to your bank account like SEPA, Paymonade, Easy Bank Transfer by Wello, Bank Transfer SEPA, and some P2P tradings. So basically, choose the one which fits you the best, and then enter the amount which you want to go ahead and sell. Click Sell USDT, and after that, you will get your money to your bank account. And of course, the last would be to withdraw crypto. So if you would choose, for example, USDT, you would need to go ahead and send it via crypto network to some other wallet and enter the address here and choose a network. So that's basically it, guys. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.